guys, welcome back to Dharani Creations. Today we are going to make a smoke detector in which we can monitor LPG gas, CO2 and smoke in the display. Let's see how to make it. We need an Arduino Uno, a 16x2 LCD display, MQ2 gas smoke sensor, a medium sized breadboard, and few jumpers. Before uploading the code, we need to download MQ2 library and Liquid Crystal library. Then only we should upload the code to board. Done uploading. Let's test it. Now the smoke is increasing and the LPG also increasing. You can see in the display. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to Dharani Creations, like, share, comment. You can see in the next video. Tada, bye bye.